So we are making a quick hot dog today. We're starting with some sweet relish as a base. So for the sweet relish, it's just diced cucumbers, corn syrup. It has some red bell peppers and mahoho, and a lot of sugars and preservatives. That's it. Sweet relish. And we are boiling the meat here. Just going to boil it. No baking, no. It's just boiled. Quickest way to make it.
Sawa sawa. Okay. Haya.
Now then the hot dogs go in. There we go. There we go. Now for some ketchup. Hivyo umetosha.
Mingi sana hiyo
Hiyo ni mingi.
yellow mustard.
Hivyo. So that was some ketchup. Just added some ketchup to the hot dogs. And now we add some yellow mustard. And add some yellow mustard. Just a bit. There we go. I'm going to finish it off with some cheddar cheese. Just a bit. Just like that. That should be good. There we go. And then it goes into the microwave to melt the cheese for a minute or so. Just to melt the cheese. That is so good.